in my career, in what could have been the absolute worst night, in what was literal hell, I was not cynical, I was not jaded, I stood, I fought. And I fought against one of the very best superstar wrestlers in the history of our game, Seth frickin' Rollins. Yeah, I don't like him either. The chapter, the trilogy, it's been written, the book is closed, it's in the archives. I am officially done with Seth Rollins. So with that in mind, I want to talk about what's above me. The money in the bank briefcase, more so the contract inside, has eluded me my entire career. And certainly, I am a little banged up at the moment, but in 4 weeks' time, if somehow, if some way I was able to climb the ladder, I was able to grab said briefcase, I was able to cash that sucker in and become the WWE Undisputed Universal Champion.
Cody Rhodes said he was done with Seth Rollins.
Perhaps
Rollins did the same.
Yeah, perhaps Seth Rollins isn't exactly done with the American Nightmare.
Not exactly dancing out as we are accustomed to.
You have to imagine the amount of pain Seth Rollins is in, less than 24 hours removed from a brutal, grueling, career-altering match inside Hell in a Cell.
Seth freaking Rollins gave everything as well in that match, and it's showing. Not just in his walk, but in his face.
Well, again, I'm sure there's a great deal of emotional pain that Rollins is going through, knowing that he was unable, once again, to defeat Cody Rhodes.
But Cody Rhodes' eyes locked on Seth Rollins like he's looking at a coiled viper.
Cody Rhodes isn't sure what to make of Seth Rollins making his way down to this ring. Well, Rollins himself was like he can barely walk.
I still do not like you. But after what you put yourself through last night, you have earned my respect. And the world is saying maybe one of the gutsiest performances in the history of this industry. And that's the truth. Because you are, without a doubt, the toughest person I have ever been in this ring with. And I know I'm the last person you need to hear this from, but Dusty is very, very proud of his baby boy right now. And you came out here the night after WrestleMania to show me respect. You shook my hand. I came out here for no other reason than to return the favor.
Much earned respect by Cody Rhodes.
Long time coming from Seth Rollins. Long time.
Classy gesture from the Visionary, showing grace in defeat, because last night ultimately was all about the American Nightmare.
Even someone as rotten as Seth Rollins has respect for the American Nightmare.
I imagine Cody Rhodes has a newfound respect for Seth Rollins as well.
All the battles these two men have had, not just inside Hell in a Cell, but the last couple of months here in WWE. You would imagine respect had to have been built over time.
Classic trilogy like that. You get to know your opponent as well as you know yourself. That builds something between two people. We're seeing that tonight.
Now it's about the road forward for Cody Rhodes.
And I understand that Cody Rhodes is scheduled for surgery this coming Wednesday to repair the injury suffered this past week and exacerbated inside Hell in a Cell last night. What a gutsy 24 hours for the American Nightmare.
Well, his mental focus now on Money in the Bank. July 2nd, not a ton of time.
But that speaks to the competitive spirit of Cody Rhodes. Obviously battered and bruised. Corey just mentioned having surgery this Wednesday. Already thinking about Money in the Bank. Already thinking about his goal to make it to the top.
We have to wonder how long Cody Rhodes will be away from WWE post-surgery. That remains to be seen, but we're all rooting for you, Cody.
Well, we obviously saw Cody Rhodes defy the odds last night, so who's the... Wait.
No!
Damn it, Rollins!
Why?
Son of a...
Unbelievable! Face to face a second ago.
This is disgusting. This is despicable. Rollins, you're...
All this talk about respecting Cody Rhodes and...
Clearly
Get
Seth
some
Rollins
help out
respecting
here.
absolutely
Get
nothing.
the officials out here.
Finally someone out here, but oh my God. The sledgehammer from Hell in a Cell.
Stop him.
Cody is helpless.
A stomp right on the injured pec.
Get somebody out of the damn locker room. Somebody stop Rollins.
Well,
Rollins had a
seven
damn
officials out
sledgehammer
here.
in his hand.
Rollins is sick. That's the bottom line here. Rollins is sick. He is disturbed.
Oh my God, proclaiming his respect a minute ago. Now torturing Cody Rhodes.
It was nonsense. It was lip service from Rollins.
These are the actions of a twisted individual. Unreal attack, unforgivable.
Disgusting.